Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to apply fake nails at home in a very easy way and an effective method. So if you want to know how I apply my fake nails and remove them at home easily, then please do continue watching. So my nail set is from a brand called Nuck from Instagram. They sent it over to me, and these were the nails that I used for my wedding as well. So I know that they work really well. So they send 20 pieces of the nail pieces in one box, and you also get the complete kit in this box itself. So you get a orange wood stick, a few stickers, and a nail buffer and rubbing alcohol. So everything that you need to apply and remove the nails is provided within the kit itself. So now what I'm doing is I'm measuring which of the nail pieces fit perfectly on each of my nail before applying them. So I'm just arranging them in order so that it's easy to apply. Now I'm going to take the buffer and buff off the nail layer gently. So I'm just going to do that one by one on my fingers. And this step is very important, guys, otherwise your nail won't stick properly. So make sure you buff your nails before you apply the fake nails. Now I'm going to pick up the stickers that come in the kit and going to measure them as well according to the nails, and just going to place them on each of the nails and just keep them aside. Once that is done, I'm going to take the rubbing alcohol sheet and clean off any dust from my nails while I was buffing my nails, so that the nails are super clean before popping on the fake nails. Now I'm going to place each of the nail properly on each of the finger and just gently going to press it down so that it sticks perfectly on the nails. And voila, you get fake nails at home in just few minutes, and they look super pretty and they're quite durable as well, and it's very easy to remove as well, which I will show you in a couple of seconds. So I took some warm water in a bowl and just gonna soak my nails in the bowl for a couple of minutes so that the sticker loosens up and it's easy for you to remove. Now I'm gonna take the orange stick, the orange wood stick that came in the packaging itself, and just gonna use the flat end of the orange wood stick to pop off the nail from my nail bed. And that was super easy to remove as well, right? So yeah, this is how I do my nails at home in a very easy and effective method. So I'll put the link of the Nuck nail set in the description box, so if you're interested, do check it out, and I shall see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.